Figma AI versus Uizard. Which AI design tool is better? Choosing the right AI design tool can transform your creative process without the usual complexity. Figma AI offers advanced collaboration, while Uizard focuses on rapid prototyping with AI assistance. The Figma AI and Uizard both use artificial intelligence to boost design workflows, but their core difference lies in focus. Figma AI enhances detailed design collaboration, while Uizard prioritizes quick wireframing and automatic UI generation for fast concept creation. Figma AI is an extension of the popular Figma platform that integrates AI-driven features to streamline design and collaboration. It works by leveraging AI to automate repetitive tasks like resizing, color suggestions, and layout adjustments, while maintaining full control over design details. Its strengths include real-time multi-user collaboration, extensive plugin support, and seamless integration with design systems, making it ideal for teams working on complex UI and UX projects. However, Figma AI requires a learning curve and a stable internet connection to fully unlock its potential. It is best suited for professional designers and product teams who need precision, flexibility, and collaborative power in their workflows. According to Figma's official AI overview, its features aim to reduce manual effort without sacrificing creative control, making it a robust tool for detailed design work. Uizard is an AI-powered design tool focused on rapid prototyping and transforming ideas into user interfaces quickly. It uses AI to convert sketches, wireframes, or even text descriptions into interactive UI designs automatically. Uizard's strengths lie in its speed and ease of use, enabling non-designers and product managers to create functional prototypes without extensive design knowledge. Its interface is straightforward, with drag-and-drop components and AI-assisted style suggestions that accelerate early-stage design. However, Uizard is less suited for highly detailed or complex design projects, and customization options are more limited compared to traditional design platforms. Ideal users are startups, product teams, and individuals who need fast mock-ups or want to validate concepts quickly. Uizard's AI capabilities focus on reducing the barrier to entry for UI design, as detailed on their official site, making it a practical choice for rapid iteration and early product development. Comparing Figma AI and Uizard highlights distinct trade-offs. Figma AI excels in collaborative environments where design precision and system consistency are critical, such as large product teams or agencies. It supports detailed workflows but requires more time to master. Uizard shines in speed and accessibility, ideal for quickly turning ideas into prototypes without deep design expertise. For example, a startup needing fast user feedback might choose Uizard, while a design team refining a polished app interface would prefer Figma AI. The decision depends on whether the priority is advanced design control or rapid concept generation. Both tools leverage AI effectively, but target different stages and users within the design process. Choose Figma AI if your focus is on detailed design collaboration, precision, and integrating AI into an established professional workflow. Option Samurai versus Art Assistor is up more in the depth of market insights, strategy analysis, screening capabilities. It's perfect for quick iterations and early stage product development. Both tools serve unique needs, so select based on whether speed or design depth matters most for your project.